In today's video, we will see how we can monitor the performance of our computer hardware parts. If you are new to our channel and like our videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. While using the computer, sometimes it seems that the computer is performing very slowly. One of the reasons may be the performance of computer hardware parts. Let's monitor the performance of those hardware parts today. For that, go to the search options of the operating system and search for Writing Task Manager. Now open the Task Manager options in the search result. Now we can see how much CPU, memory, disks, and GPU are being used by the applications running on the computer in the Process tab of this pop-up. Then go to the Performance tab. Now open the CPU tab. We can see the model with the speed of the processor, and here it is seen how much CPU is being utilized. Here we can see processor cores, threads, and cache memory. In the next Memory tab, the capacity of the RAM, the amount of memory being used and available, and the amount of speed is shown. Here we can see how well the disk HDD is responding. Here we can see how much the disk SSD is responding. If we see the tab called GPU, then we understand that this system has GPU support. If GPU tab exists, then let's go to the GPU tab. This processor has built-in GPU support for this model. Here is how the GPU is performing. After monitoring these performances, if you feel any parts are not performing well, then you can increase the performance of your computer by upgrading or extending it. If you want, you can upgrade or extend the memory capacities also. However, you can decide on these performances when you are going to purchase a computer device.